this shit down. I mean, I would be impressed with myself if I did, but I don't think so. Alright. Sorry for calling you. Like, you're probably, like, you should probably just... You're welcome. All I know is I just like hit the door hella hard and just like open. I was like, probably wasn't the best decision I made all night, but I'm actually in Uber to Trinity, so I'm really, yeah. Like, well, it's not that far, but it's like snowing, so. I know, it's like 3 in the morning. I know, it's... I swear, if this girl is gone, I'm gonna be like super pissed off. Like, I mean, she said, she's like, yeah, like, I'll be up. I'm like, alright, well, if I fucking show up and like, you're not there, I'm gonna be like, super fucking pissed. It's crazy. Like 27 minutes away right now. So. I hope I have fun with this. Sorry for waking up. Alright, good night.
This is so scary. Look at the blizzard. I can't even see what's in front of us, to be honest with you. It's just white. It's coming right
We're
at.
like on like a, what if on like some like side road? I felt like if you're on the highway, it'd
Yeah, this
probably be
is
a
like
lot
it's
safer.
taking me 109. That's a highway, but I think
Yeah, I feel like this is like, if you were like on the highway, it'd be like,
much better. Yeah.
it's like the highways are probably like, there's been a lot more people driving on it, so like,
Yeah.
and they already like like,
See, when you gave me
lights.
that address, it took me this direction for some reason.
Yeah, this is like a really weird.
It's 109. It runs parallel to 73 or 311 south.
Hello. I'm sorry. Oh, it's cool. Well, it's still like 20 minutes away because it's like, I know, but like it's snowing, so it's like and we're like on a back road, so like the snow is like, like I'm sorry, like if you, like I will be there eventually. Like, it's just like it's not. Well, okay, honestly though, like okay, I understand what you're saying because like in Winston there was like barely any snow, and then like started to get away from the town. I'm like, wow, it's like snowing pretty fucking hard out here. Well, how far is it to your house? I'm really sorry, honestly. Everyone there probably hates me. They're like, who the hell is this guy? They're like, oh my gosh, the guy's like such an asshole. I don't blame him though. Yeah. I don't know. It's. I don't know. I could just ask like, where are we at right now? Probably
Okay,
like,
we are 8 miles away from Unity Road,
we're 8
Unity
miles away
Street.
from Unity Street, so I don't know what that means.
We are only 15 miles away, but
Are you going through Thomasville? I mean, I feel like he probably doesn't know. He just like typed in the address and he's just following like.
yeah, it's south. It's south of Archdale.
I honestly I feel like the highway is good, but like the GPS is like taking us like. I mean, I can see the thing right now. It says like 23 minutes. So like I'm sorry,
By
but like
three, by
that's just like the way it is. I'll send you my location.
yeah, by 3:23 we'll
We
be
are
there.
8 miles away, so yeah. Alright. I'll share it for you. Oh my gosh. It's so stressful.
Talking about stress, this is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know why it took you on like this
It took me on 109. See, you were going to Trinity, so that's why it veered off towards right.
Yeah, I feel like when you go back, just like make sure you get on the highway.
Yeah.
This is just like not.
That was a slide. It's a scary one. I hope we make it. Guys, I'm fine. Don't worry. You're in good hands. It's a little bit slow, but slow and steady wins the race.
I mean, is there like a highway around? I feel like you might be better off.
Yeah, that's. I mean, can you look on your phone?
Yeah.
Just type in that address and start the GPS and see if we can detour off to the highway. Thomasville, 8 mile.
Yeah, because I feel like this road is not the best road to be driving on. I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, if what does your
no,
GPS say?
we are not. We're on 109 right now.
Yeah, that's where we are. It's considered a highway, but it's not a bigger highway as
It
compared
looks
to
like we're like pretty far from like.
Trinity.
Yeah, it looks like this is like really the only route.
Yeah, that's why it didn't take me from there.
I mean, honestly, I don't think so. Like, I
Wait,
think this is like really the only because I'm looking and like the highway is like there's not really a highway.
no, there's no highway. And when I put in that address, I would double check, triple check. This was the only way to get there to Trinity. If it was a high point, we would have just taken the
Yeah,
73,
I know. It's just,
74 south.
I mean, there is. I mean, I'm trying to think like a way back to Winston.
Oh no, we don't want to go back.
Well, I'm just saying